Hey there! Welcome to Understanding Common Core Math. This video series is designed for parents and teachers who are looking to better understand the Common Core and are looking to find ways to support kids in their development of math skills. Standard K.MD.B.3 is the first standard that deals with data. According to this standard, students should be able to classify objects into categories. Then, they should be able to count the number of objects in the category and organize the categories based on the count. Long story short, we want your kindergarten student to be able to group objects according to some characteristic, to count up how many objects are in the group, and to sort the categories in some numerical fashion. To illustrate the nature of the standard, let's take a look at an example. On the screen are some circles. Obviously, the circles are different colors and different sizes. Let's start by regrouping the circles by their colors. Put the red circles into a group, put the blue circles into a group, and put the yellow circles into a group. There. We have met the first part of the standard by classifying the objects according to a common characteristic, color. Now, count up how many circles are in each group to meet the second part of the standard. There are 5 red circles, there are 3 blue circles, there are 6 yellow circles. Finally, let's organize the groups from least to greatest. 3 blue circles, 5 red circles, and 6 yellow circles. The third part of the standard is now met, and the example is complete. We classified, we counted, and we organized. Now, here are a couple of things to note about the example we just looked at. First, the count for the individual groups was limited to being less than 10. We do not want to overwhelm a kindergarten student with counts that are too large. Second, we focused on a single characteristic for organizing the circles. In this case, we focused on color rather than size. Finally, we tackled the process one step at a time. Classify, count, and organize in order to meet all parts of the standard. Let's revisit the circle example again. This time, let's classify the circles according to their sizes. Put the small circles in one group, put the medium-sized circles in another group, put the large circles in a third group. Now that we have classified the circles according to size, let's count them up. There are 7 small circles, there are 4 medium-sized circles, and there are 3 large circles. Finally, let's organize the groups by count from the smallest number of circles to the largest number of circles. Done. Classify, count, and organize. There are many different ways that you can help your child practice and meet this standard. For instance, you could use some spare change and have your child categorize the coins by the different types. For example, pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. If your child has a stuffed animal collection, you could have him or her group the toys by some characteristic, like color, relative size, type of animal, and so on. As you are putting away dishes, you can have your kid classify, count, and organize the silverware. There are a lot of everyday examples where this standard can be applied, so be creative in the ways that you ask your child to think about data. Standard K.MD.B.3 serves as your child's initial step into gathering and analyzing data. Classifying and counting objects reflects the gathering step, while organizing the counts reflects the analysis. As your child moves through the standards at the various grade levels, his or her ability to gather and analyze data will become more sophisticated. For now, though, let's focus on the steps outlined in the standard to get your child thinking mathematically. Let me know if you have any questions about this standard by posting in the comments section below. Please take a minute to subscribe to this channel if you find the content helpful, and be sure to check out the other videos in this series for more information about the Common Core. Thanks for watching.